In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly reconcile a bank account or corporate card using a simple and straightforward method. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to brush up on your skills or a beginner eager to get a handle on your finances, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's start by accessing the banking module found in the left sidebar. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your gateway to managing financial accounts with precision. Select the specific bank account or corporate card you wish to reconcile. This choice will determine which transactions you'll be auditing, so be sure to pick the right one. Next, direct your attention to the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon serves as the primary hub for various settings. Click on it and select the option labeled Reconcile Account. This action is essentially opening the door to begin the reconciliation process. Now that you've initiated the process, keep going by clicking either the Reconcile Now or Initiate Reconciliation button. These buttons generally do the same thing, propelling you into the reconciliation phase. Here, enter the start date and end date exactly as they appear on your bank statement. This part is crucial because these dates frame the period you'll be examining. Next, enter the closing balance. Again, this should match precisely with what appears on your bank statement. Discrepancies in these figures can lead to confusion down the line, so precision is key. Once you've double-checked everything, you're ready to click Start Reconciliation. In some cases, the difference between your records and bank records may not initially reach zero. But don't worry, there are solutions at hand. You might need to manually add or edit transactions to rectify this difference. For instance, there could be missing transactions or bank charges, and interests may not have been accounted for yet. You can simply click on plus add transaction to insert these details. Occasionally, there are timing differences, meaning some transactions haven't cleared your bank. To address this, you can uncheck those transactions, ensuring they don't interfere with the reconciliation process. Persevere with these steps until the difference is satisfactorily resolved and hits zero. Once everything aligns perfectly, all that's left is to click Reconcile to save your hard work. You've now achieved a balanced reconciliation, ensuring the financial records reflect both the money coming in and going out accurately. Through these simple steps, you've ensured that your financial records are well organized and error-free, making future financial decisions and audits infinitely easier. With practice, these steps will become second nature, empowering you to manage your finances with confidence and ease.